Hi friends, welcome to Stanley's e-learning studio. We are learning about Microsoft Excel and its uses. This is the second part of the first topic, that is overview and basic concepts of Microsoft Excel. In this video, we are analyzing the commands included in tab Home. In the first video, we have analyzed the basic terms of Microsoft Excel. I suggest to watch the complete series of videos for getting a better understanding. Also press the bell button and subscribe the channel for regular updates. First tab is Home. Home tab consists of clipboard, font, alignment, number, style, cells, and editing. These are all different groups. There is a small icon in the corner of each group. While we move on through each icons, we can see a small window gets opened there. These windows we can use as quick commands without going to the command menu. First group, clipboard, consists of 4 commands: cut, copy, format painter, and paste. Using cut command, we can cut the content of a cell from one cell to another cell. Like that, using copy option, we can copy the content of a cell from one cell to another cell. The shortcut for cut is Ctrl X and shortcut for copy is Ctrl C. The shortcut for paste is Ctrl V. If we use cut option, the contents of the cell will completely move from that cell to the another cell. See, here the contents has been completely moved to the another cell. But in this case, the contents has been copied from this cell to the other cell. The other difference between cut and copy is, if we use cut command, we can paste it to a single place only. But if we use copy option or copy command, we can paste it to different cells. The other command is format painter. Using this command, we can copy the format of a cell from one place to another place. See, this cell is colored. This is a format. I am going to copy this format from this cell to another cell. Next group is font. We can change the fonts of the different cells. We can change the font. We can change the to bold or unbold. Italics. We can change the text to italics and non-italics. We can underline the text and we can remove the underline. We can increase or decrease the font size. We can border the cells. First, I am removing the borders. Again, I am bordering it. We can fill the colors. There are different colors available. We can fill the colors of the cells. We can change the font of the text. We can change the alignment of the text. This is orientation. We can change the angle of the text. Can increase indent, decrease indent. We can merge the different cells using the merge command. I'm going to merge these two cells, these 4 cells. But there is one error has come, or there is a warning. Merging cells only keep the upper left value and discards the other cells. So the upper left value, that is F19, will be available. All the contents of all the other cell will vanish. I'm doing the command. Next is wrap text. See, the contents of this cell is not properly visible, so I am applying wrap text. Now this is properly visible. With the next cell, we can apply any command for a single cell or for different cells. Wrap text also like that. I can apply for all these columns. Yeah, I'm doing it. We can apply comma format. We can apply percentages. Increases decimal, decrease decimal. These are all we can. Next group is style. The first command available is conditional formatting. I'm removing the format. Now this is normal format. I'm going to apply conditional formatting for the cells. Highlight cell rows greater than 2400. The computer has taken a default value from these cells. We can change the value. We can change the value to 3000 or 3500. Now the cell will highlight. Now light red fit with dark or red text. I'm applying it. Now I'm converting this number to 1500. Yeah, red border. We can change the format as custom format. We can apply any format like that. Yellow red. We can we can apply any conditions which is mentioned here. So next one is format table. Any format you can apply. Formulas in the header text will be removed and converted to static text. Do you wish to continue? Do you want to continue? Yes. These are all styles. You can change the style of the cells. Next command is insert. You can insert cells. It is asking for insert cells down, right, insert cells, shift cells right, shift cells down. Which all cells was selected, then those cells will be shifted to the right side. Undo. We can insert sheet. Shortcut is Alt-W. We can insert columns. There is a shortcut for inserting columns. Just highlight the cells and apply Ctrl+. Like that, we can insert rows also. Either we can insert rows here, we can insert, or we can apply through this insert rows, or we can apply Ctrl+. We can delete cells, we can delete sheet rows. Then format. We can change the format of the cells. Any format we can apply. Number format, alignment, font, border, fill. Next command is Autosum. Using Autosum, we can calculate the sum of a range of cells. See, if we want to do the sum of these cells, we can click on this button. They are asked for the range and the sum has come. We can change the range. This now it has selected as D3 to D92. We want to change from D25 to D85. That also we can specify. Here there are 4 more commands how you has mentioned. Next is average. Now the average of these cells has come. Next is count numbers. It has specified the count of the numbers. Now maximum value. The maximum value out of this will mention here. And minimum. These are all the basic commands which are included in Autosum. There are more functions are included, but those are little bit advanced. So that will be analyzed in a separate video. The one important command, that is filter. See, here I am applying the filter. The shortcut for filter is Ctrl-Shift-L. Applied. One more thing we can do. First, we can select the data, or otherwise computer will select the default cells. We can select the cells and apply filter. Now I am applying the filter. I have removed all this and I am applying only for HDSC. Then HDSC will come. HCPCC will come. Either I can apply like this or we can write it here. HCPC. Yeah, that has come. Now I'm clearing the filter. I'm here going to write one more filter is greater than 5 lakhs. Yeah, those value has been filtered. There is option to filter using color also. Those cell has been colored will filter. These are all temporary filtering. You can remove the filter later. Now I can sort the data. Next command is sort. Sort smallest value or largest value, smallest to largest or largest to smallest, or custom sort. I'm applying smallest to largest. This is filtered. I'm applying largest to smallest. Find and replace is a command. Wherever we have data we want to find it, we can find it. Find. If I want to write PCNB, that is a product. That will be. If we use Alt I or find all the data we can see. Using arrow key, we can see which all cells showing the value. Shortcut for find all is Alt I. Replace is a command which is used for replacing the contents of a cells. The shortcut is Ctrl H. Here I am going to replace BCNB with BCCNB. If we replace all, (42) replacement has been done. All the data which was mentioned as BCNB has been converted to BCCNB. This go to command, which is used to going the cursor to the specified cell. Here I have mentioned E4, and then apply OK. Then cursor has been moved to that cell. This is all about tab home. If you like the video, please subscribe for further updates. Thank you.